Hi, hello, my name is Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is a really easy, simple, warmed tone prom look. I know some of y'all still haven't gone to prom, so if I can't speak. If you haven't gone to prom yet and you're like, I don't know what to do, here's a look for you. Really soft, warm, smoky eye, more attention on the lip and the lashes, but you don't have to do these lashes, of course. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Face done, brows done, eyes primed, we can move on to the fun stuff. I'm going to use Soft Glam today, and I'm going to start with, if I can point to it, orange soda. And I'm just going to put this in and above my crease as a transition color. So just chuck it in there. Nothing too fancy. Next, I'm going to take burnt orange and put that all over the lid. So just push that all over everywhere, up in the crease a little bit, all over. And just blend the edges, just like that. And then I'm going to take Sienna and put that like right along the lash line. Just kind of buff it all across here. And then blend the edges, because you don't want it to look like one color stops and another one starts. Blend that all together. Just like that. So that's that. Super easy and simple. If you wanted to go even like smokier with this, you could take like rustic, cypress umber, a little bit of noir, or even like mulberry, however darker smoky you want to go on like a smaller brush and go like right along the lashes and don't blend it as far. But I'm going to leave it like this, nice, simple, easy. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take burnt orange again, that second color, and just drag this all the way across. And make sure you're connected to the top. Don't leave a little space here. And give it a little blend. And to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner, I'm going to take my highlighter, which is, what is this? Moonstone from Becca. I'm going to put this under the brow. If you didn't want to use this, you could use Tempera in the palette. Right in the corner. Just like that. So here's the eyeshadow done. Really simple, easy. You definitely get a bit of an impact though, soft, smoky eye. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do all this stuff off camera. I'm going to attempt to do a very thin line of eyeliner. I know, I'm putting liner on. Can you believe it? Very thin line of liner. No wing or anything, just a line. Black liner in my tight line and my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara, and then I'm going to put lashes on. I'm going to be using Amour from Sephora. And then I'll be back. I'll see you in quite a moment here. So here are the eyes done. You can definitely do smaller lashes than these if these look a little scary to you. Quill from Sephora are great. Those are nice ones too. And Plume are like the most natural ones. If you look at Quill and you're like, these are still a little scary, then do Plume. But I like these, so yes. So let's finish off the face. Hi, how are you? I'm all lash now. Contour. Kevyn Aqua powder. This way. There you go. Now you can see it. Just a soft contour. Nothing too crazy. Like, I know we have big lashes, but we don't have like a smoky eye, if you know what I mean. It's a very soft smoky eye, so I don't need too crazy of a contour. So just a soft one. Bronzer. I'm using Chocolate Soleil. Nobody's surprised. Unless you're new here. Hi. I only use Chocolate Soleil, basically. For blush, I'm just going to use Mood Exposure from Hourglass, because I don't really have another blush that kind of goes with this look, like a warm, like maybe rosy kind of blush. So we'll just do this. And I don't want to make the look overall too warm either. Plus the lip's going to be pretty warm. Okay, so that. Going back in with Moonstone. Cheekbone, up and around the brow, and that C shape that I like. Oh yeah. The nose. And I'm going to pile it onto my Cupid's bow. And then for lip, I'm going to use Ashton from Anastasia. Now I'm going to warn you before I put this on. This on me turns really red. So on anyone else, it's like a warm brownie nude. On me, it turns really red. So just fair warn you. And here is the finished look. I love this look. It's really simple and easy, the eyes especially, but you get an impact from it, and that's all that matters, is that you get some pop. So yeah, I love this look. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all soon. Bye!